So let us now focus on to another scheme which is called as the alternate mark inversion scheme. Here what happens, for one, we are having alternate polarities of positive and negative, and for 0 we are having simply 0 value. Now in waveform, for example, if we want to show, then let us take an example of certain bits, say 1, 0, 1, 1, and let us also indicate the bit period as shown in the figure for 4 bits. For this first bit 1, we will have a positive polarity, and for 0 we will have 0, and for this next one we will have a negative polarity, and for the next one we will have a positive polarity. In this manner, what we have is alternatively change in the polarity, and advantage of this kind of scheme is that we will reduce the DC component and will increase the AC component. With the increment of AC component, this kind of signaling scheme can easily be transmitted through the transmission line because DC component is going to reduce. But there is a problem. Suppose if we are having multiple 0 bits, say 20 0 bits or 50 0 bits successively, if the 0 bits comes, then it will create a problem of synchronization. This AMI scheme is suitable in the case when we are having successive ones. It will avoid a typical situation when we are having successive ones, because that problem can be solved with the use of change in alternative polarity. But similar kind of problem can persist when we are having multiple zeros. So to cope up with that problem, we are having another scheme which is called as the HDBN scheme. So here HDB stands for high density bipolar, and N scheme, and basically here this letter indicate that how many zeros will be there for which we are designing this scheme. Say if we are taking the value of N as 3, then this scheme will become HDB3 signaling scheme. Now for this, what will happen? We will replace a group of 4 bit by 000V or B00V. Here the first incoming group of 4 bits will be represented by 000V, where V stands for the violation bit, and B stands for the beginning. Both V and B are having value as 1. Both these symbols are having value as 1. But as it was a case of AMI scheme, like alternate mark inversion, the polarity for 1 will keep on changing alternatively. But this particular scheme will consider a case of zeros. Now here, when we are having, suppose N is one of the journal value if we are taking, then we must search for n plus 1 number of consecutive zeros into any binary pattern. Then if it comes, then we will replace a group of n plus 1 bits by first group will be replaced by 000V, and next successive groups will be replaced by B00V, and this group will be of 4 bits. Suppose we are taking a simple example and having a binary pattern like 1001, then 5 times 01, and then this group of zeros, then 1. Accordingly, we have encoded this as per the HDB 3 coded format. Here 1 will be same as 1, 0 will be 0, this 1 will be same as 1. But next, because this group comes for the first time, so these 4 bits will be replaced by 000V. Here V is basically 1, and this 1 will remain same. Now next, this 4 zeros group and next 4 zeros group, and this is the next zeros group. So 3 groups of 4 zeros is there. First group will be replaced like B00V, next B00V, like this, B00V. Here B is 1, V is 1. Similarly here also B is 1 and V is 1. Now how it will be encoded? First one will be encoded as having positive polarity. 0 will be simply as 0. This 1 will take the negative polarity now. And these 3 0 will be replaced by simply the zeros. But here for this 0, this will be given a violation bit, having a violation bit, and it will be given in positive polarity as compared to this bit, because it took the negative polarity, and this is particular specified pre-specified voltage. Say if you are having V voltage, then it will have minus V, predefined as per the design of the system and having a capability of tolerating a certain noise. So value of V is decided how much it is to be kept. Now how it is basically tolerant with the successive zeros or a group of zeros. What happens basically, suppose over here we are having around 12 bits for 0. So here we are having positive 1, then negative, positive polarity, and then negative. Next it is positive, similarly negative over here. So basically you will not have a successive 0 voltage in the line, because it will create a problem in synchronizing and deciding the timing content hidden inside the waveform. So it can easily be tolerated. So the successive zeros will be replaced by B00V, and when it is received, then receiver will decide as per the protocols communicated, because it will sense the group of 4 bits, and if in the group of 4 bits this kind of polarity changes, suppose over here it is a period of 4 bit, first bit, then next bit, and third bit and fourth bit. Here this kind of pattern is there. Similarly over here this kind of pattern is there, this kind of pattern is repeating. Then receiver will immediately sense that it is a repeated pattern of zeros which is coming. Next, with this change in polarity, receiver can easily detect the timing frame. Timing frame means at what rate the bits are going to be transmitted. So carrier synchronization can be done at the receiver.